Hi everyone, welcome back to ePowerOn. Thank you for joining me today. If you've never joined us before, I'm Nicole, the product specialist here. ePowerOn is an industry-leading LED fixture manufacturer based in Durham, North Carolina. We're bridging the gap between security surveillance and smart controls into LED fixture packages. Today, we're going to be discussing something that we feel is very exciting here at ePowerOn. So let's show a brief video highlighting our construction safety station. Our construction safety station is a thermal camera that gives businesses and job sites the tools to be secure, safe, and energy efficient. How can our thermal camera help with the security and safety of your business or job site? Our system includes thermal and optical cameras, high-speed Wi-Fi, point-to-point equipment, wireless lighting control, and an optional 4G cellular network connection. All this, combined with our smart switch and lighting controls, provides our customers with peace of mind. Our thermographic cameras can differentiate vehicles and humans from the movement of wind and shadows, which can drastically reduce the occurrence of false alarms. This system provides a much higher accuracy than an optical camera alone. With built-in smart lighting controls, our system can automatically turn on security lights for an entire job site. This increases safety and allows the IP optical camera to catch a clear view of the intrusion. The construction safety station allows our customers the ability to remotely turn lights on and off with the use of our smart controls and custom software. Interested in learning more about our construction safety station or smart controls? Click on the link below to set up a detailed webinar for you and your team. And at any time, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. And go ahead and comment with hashtag ePowerOnLive. Let us know you stopped by. So let's discuss this box. This is a weatherproof NEMA box. The backet on the back will fit any 4-inch, 5-inch, square or round pole, and it comes with stainless steel clamps to secure it to the pole. Our 3-way bracket at the bottom is designed to be compatible with any of our other external equipment or additional cameras and lights. As you can see here, we've got a security beacon attached today. Underneath, there are 2 power cables as well as 4 PoE-enabled weatherproof connector cables. And this is the weatherproof connector to protect the cables themselves that is underneath the box. If you join us for one of our other lives, we go into really great detail on this box itself, and we also have the ability to show you all of the different parts of it. So inside the box, when the power comes in, it goes through a 10 kVA surge protector. It then goes to a transformer that steps it down from 277 to 120. After that, it goes up to our control node. Our control node is unique. It is a 7-pin node, 3 for power, and 4 wires for low voltage. After that, I forgot one thing. It also has an additional 6 kVA of surge protection. So right away, your equipment has 16 kVA surge protection on it, which is pretty good. After that, it comes into our box to our 48-volt driver. It provides 48 volts, like I said, to the PoE switch. It can withstand fluctuations in power from 90 to 277. So let's say the power drops offline, it can still provide a constant power of 48 volts to our PoE switch. Now this PoE switch, we've got 4 ports on it. Each port has its own surge protection and an isolator. So let's say one of our external equipment or one of our PoE cables had some sort of surge applied to it. The board will protect the other ports from the one that was damaged. There's another thing in here. We have a security button or like a fail-safe. Let's say someone were to come by and hack into our camera. Well, they can only hack into that one port. They cannot access the other cameras or equipment that is attached to our switch. So that's the basics of inside the box. I'm holding our control node as well. Normally it would sit right on top, but to enable us to show you this whole box, we kind of have to make our equipment fit in the screen. This also will provide a 4G network to the customer. With our software, it's cloud-based, You can access our equipment, download videos, view, search. You can also receive real-time messages or alerts to your mobile device. If the customer is in an area that may not have cellular service, or they just don't want to use it, we also provide a Ubiquiti point-to-point antenna. This antenna provides up to 2 miles of coverage. Now, let's say your area, your job site, what have you, maybe a car dealership, has more than 2 miles of area to cover. Inside this box, we provide 2 120-volt power cables. One is provided to power our Ubiquiti because it is actually 24 volt, and our PoE switch plate, as we said earlier, is 48 volt. Why are there 2 cables? Well, one is for the first antenna. The next is for a relay box. Basically, if you're over 2 miles, you can put another box in between and relay all the information from this camera back to your facility. So let's put this in a little bit of a scenario to make it sound and so you can understand maybe a little bit easier how this all works. Picture your job site or your car dealership or your business. It's late at night and the trees are blowing, leaves are going across the ground, maybe a dog walks past, but nothing happens. None of the lights come on. Our camera is able to detect humans apart from all of these other occurrences. Once a human, an intruder, crosses the path of our thermal camera, we can program all of our equipment to simultaneously put all the lights on your job site or business, make our beacon flash. We can also attach a siren, a speaker to this box and power it through our PoE, and we can make that speaker siren blare. Hopefully with all of that, the intruder will just leave your business and not cause any damage or try to steal anything. And also, on top of that, when all of this happens, say your manager is at home having dinner with their family. They can receive a real-time alert message to their mobile device, letting them know that there's an intruder on the property. If you have a security guard or a receptionist sitting there, they will receive this message on their computer all through our software. Now, our construction safety station is in stock right now in our Durham warehouse. So if you're in the local area and you need to have your job site secured or your car dealership secured, please come on, stop by, and we can provide you with this. Click the link below. We can set up detailed webinars to go more in depth with our construction safety station and any of the other solutions we provide here at ePowerOn. If you're coming in a little bit late to the live, please go ahead and comment with hashtag ePowerOnLive. Let us know you stopped by and ask your questions, which, by the way, I do want to add, we are on multiple platforms with this live at the same time. To make it easier for myself as well as the viewers, I receive all of my questions through this fancy little earpiece here. So if you see me pausing and listening, that's my team helping me hear your questions so I can properly answer them. So at this time, if we have any questions about our construction safety station or anything else we provide here, please go ahead and ask. Oh, hi, Amalia. Oh, and she has a question about the product. Okay, let's hear that. Okay, so the question is this product completely portable? Yes, it is. We actually have it sitting on a wood pole right here now in our studio. And that is to show that you could actually have this as a permanent solution, or you can bring it as a temporary solution to a job site. Where can you purchase it? So we're going to provide in the link in the comments down below a link to your local distributor. You can contact them. They can supply you with any pricing or purchasing that you need. Hey Donnie, how are you? How hard is the installation process on site? Well, that's the nice thing about our equipment here. It comes pre-commissioned prior to leaving our warehouse, meaning if you want to pair this with our other cameras and lights, we can commission all of that prior to shipping. Basically, once you get our equipment, you just have to supply it with power. So, which is also nice for some job sites and businesses. Typically, you have to hire an electrician, then someone else to come hook up the internet. You only have to have one person, the electrician. They come out, they supply it with power, and it's ready to go. I think we're getting one more question in. Thanks, cousin. All right, well, if there are no more questions today, we're going to bid you adieu. It is Wednesday. I hope you have a great rest of your week. And join us again on another live every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. If you can't join us on the live, make sure you click on the link below for our webinars or any of our YouTube videos. Again, if you have any questions, please go ahead and put them in the comments below. Feel free to reach out, and we'd love to answer them for you. Other than that, have a great day. Bye-bye.